In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails in Gmail. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to distribute information efficiently to multiple recipients without having to send individual emails one by one. Whether you're reaching out to friends, colleagues, or clients, knowing how to do this can save you time and effort. Let's get started by first logging into your Gmail account. As you would expect, this is the necessary first step. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail's login page. Enter your credentials, and once you're successfully logged in, you'll be on your Gmail main dashboard where you can access all your emails. Next, look for the Compose button, typically located on the left-hand side menu of your Gmail interface. Clicking Compose opens up a new email window. This is where you will draft the message you intend to send out to multiple recipients. Now, in the email draft window, locate the BCC field. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's a crucial step in sending mass emails because it allows you to send the same email to multiple people while keeping their email addresses private from each other. This is especially important for maintaining the confidentiality of recipient information. The BCC field is usually found next to the CC field. Click on it and begin entering the email addresses of all your recipients. Be sure to separate each address with a comma to ensure the emails are correctly listed. With that set, it's time to craft your message. Click into the subject line and type out a clear and concise subject for your email. The subject line is important as it gives your recipients a quick idea about the content of your email. Following this, move down to the main body section of your email. This is where you'll compose your message. Be clear and direct in your communication, keeping in mind that your email's purpose should be immediately understandable to the reader. After you've drafted your email and reviewed it for any mistakes, come back to the top of the window and click the Send button to dispatch your email to all listed recipients. Once clicked, your mass email will be on its way, and that's it. You have successfully sent a mass email using Gmail. Remember, this feature is immensely powerful, but always use it responsibly to avoid overwhelming your contacts with unwanted emails. It's best to ensure your recipients have opted in to receive emails from you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out other tips and tutorials to enhance your emailing experience.